What's going on, everybody? This is the type of videos I absolutely hate making, but they have to be addressed because I don't want anybody thinking that I'm ignoring or blocking out comments on my YouTube channel. So this guy here claims that I played him like a violin, and the reason I knew he was talking about me is we had just had a conversation about a week prior. But I understand you can't make everybody happy, but I want to show everybody the truth and the facts of what actually happened. Now, in this next screenshot, you will see an email conversation where I reached out to him to ask him how I played him like a violin. His response, he was paying $300 and absolutely nothing was happening but inquiries coming off. But as you can see in the next clip, you will see he had over 400 deletions, and they were not all hard inquiries. There was, I believe, 3 bankruptcies, probably 10 to 15 collections, 10 to 15 charge-offs, personal information. I think he paid a total of $1,100, but you will see all that in the next clip. I don't like exposing former clients, but I'm not going to let you try to make me look bad with something that is not true. I got to protect myself, my name, and my company. If you have an issue, the best thing to do is to reach out to me first and let's try to fix things, which we did, but some people want to be childish. Hey, it's part of life, I understand it, but just watch this next clip. As you can see, same client. Yes, the scores are down, but I try to tell y'all, don't get so obsessed with the score. We can get that back up with a tray line. As you can see, 418 deletions. He claimed they're all hard inquiries. So let's just see what was actually deleted. Several collections, bankruptcy, personal information, several charge-offs, several collections, 2 more bankruptcies, and then, yes, there was a ton of inquiries. I mean, there's a ton of them. I didn't apply for all this stuff. I didn't ruin this person's credit. I'm just here to help and do the best job I can do. And we do everything we can to get this stuff done. We do. We don't control the bureaus. We can't force them to do anything unless there's violations there or they are breaking the law. I just felt like I needed to address this after the comment he made on my video stating that I played him like a violin. You got over 400 deletions in 11 months and you're still not satisfied. I mean, I get it. Everybody wants this done as soon as possible. And I don't even think I'm gonna go through all of these, but you kind of get what I'm trying to say. I just wanted to address this. Again, these are not the types of videos I want to make. I hope I never have to make one of these again. But you can't call me out when I can prove I done the work and got the deletions. I mean, they're all right here. And I can show my work. I can show where I faxed. I can show copies of the letters, CFPB complaints, BBB complaints. We can provide all of that. We're not hiding anything. We're working as hard as we can on everybody's file. Nobody works harder than we do. Nobody does all the extra steps that we do. Y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. I hope y'all have a great Monday.